Question number 1. Why did you choose this topic? We choose this topic because aside from its timely and relevant, we want to know the effects of online classes in teaching home economics subject to the academic performance of the student in Bacoor. Because as we all know, home economics subject are more non-actual activity presentation, we want to know the effects of online class in teaching home economics and to the academic subject and to know the solution for at least to ease the effect of online class in this time of pandemic situation.
Question. What is or are the relevance of your research topic to your chosen field? Well, online learning has helped to encourage students to take on more responsibility, and students need to exercise more self-motivation to complete activities online compared to traditional class. That's all.
The significance of our research to the people in the community is further to know the effect of online class in teaching home economic subject to the academic performance of the students in Bacoor, and also to the students in Bacoor in the community, for them to know the fact about the current situation in online class. The significance of this research is also to be aware about the effect of our research, especially now that we are in a pandemic situation.
What are the strengths of your research title? The strength of this research is that it provides great help in terms of showing each teachers the direct effect of online teaching to their students. In this way, evident problems will be addressed as soon as possible and appropriate solution will be implemented. What are the weaknesses of your research title? The weaknesses is that it only focuses to the each teacher is the overall academic performance of the students is not fully measured. Because there are still other subjects that will affect their academic performance. Like for example, they excel in HE, however they are poor other subjects, so it will greatly affect their academic performance no matter how they are at HE. That's why in our recommendation, we put there to make the same study but different subjects for future researchers.
What are the new things that you acquired learned while working on your research paper? For us, we believe that a research paper presents an original thesis with information gathered from a variety of sources. Writing a research paper is an ideal way to organize thoughts, crafts, narratives, or write arguments based on research and share newfound knowledge with the world.
Yes, this is our valid and reliable RRL sources and the RRS sources. These sources shows that our research that we conduct is current, valid, and comes to a reliable source which leads to a fact findings and a good analysis.
Are the question is statement of the problem enough to find the accurate result of your research paper? Yes, because when you set up to write a statement of the problem, you should know that you are looking for something wrong, or you are essentially trying to solve a mystery. You want to know how something works and why something happened.
Question number 9. From chapter 1 to 3. What part is the most challenging for you to do and why? Chapter 2. Because it's difficult to find an article related to title. Because the title we choose is the issue that came out or has been discussed, so it's a bit difficult to find RRS and RRL. So that there was a lot of work in chapter 2 because I was still looking where, and even in books or newspaper I cannot find them, so we just found RRL and RRS is the newly published article are justly so become a bit hassle at the time of searching because But difficult the part in chapter 3 of the survey is that we are still looking for teacher who teach online class that the subject is home economics in Bacoor. It is quite difficult to find because there is a lot to do to find the teachers to survey. Question number 10. Given the chance to revise your research title or topic, what it will be and why? In the case that I can change the title, what I want is new normal learning. The effects of self-learning to modular student in the academic performance title. Because I want to expand my mind and knowledge, because I want to know the struggle and problems of moduling student, because most of the students today are getting modular. So here is what I want to change so that I can keep up with the modular. Even took the one I took is an online class and this another one of the titles. I like because I had a hard time looking for teachers who teach online, so I want to choose this to facilitate the survey because almost everything is now